We're going to go for a walk today. Look at how we load up with all this stuff. Oh, Pumpkin, no crying. No crying. I'm like dancing with you. Here we go. Haley. Haley. You want to hold it for a minute until she's ready to go?
I gotta wait till Christine comes back in.
Why don't you pick her up, Dan? And then she can go right back in her little seat.
Yes.
Like,
No
look,
more bad, dude.
even more stuff for a walk.
Yeah, I know.
Kelly, you must really be bored. You must really wanted to do this.
Well, the last couple hours on a Sunday always lasts for a while, so I'm just making it go faster.
There's less squirming in there.
She's like, oh, you might want to turn that monitor so I can see it.
Yeah, sure.
Because she's so into her own monitors. Alright, I'll tape so we know how to do this in the future. You push, I pull. You take the cart, you take the pole. Alright, we're going for a walk, everyone. Bye.
Bye. See you later. Oh.
Haley, where you going, Pumpkin?
Oh no.
What are you doing?
She doesn't know about this. I'm moving.
Hey, baby girl.
Help.
If you don't go visit Haley, Haley will come visit you.
Yeah, she says, relegate me to the back room, will you?
Where are you going? Chomping on the beach. Should go say hi.
We only brought a little of our stuff.
She doesn't have enough stuff in the wagon.
It's like, how many pieces of luggage will she take with her on her first trip to the airport?
Yeah.
Our first trip.
Yeah.
Are you gonna go outside? Is it cold? Is it
It's
okay?
too cold. I'll probably
cold.
just run around outside for a minute. Look where I have.
And you keep walking.
Look at, this is where they sit. Hi there, what are you doing? Are you going to go check out the Christmas trees around the place? There's lots
She'll
of
love the
pretty
lights.
ones. There's lots of pretty ones. Okay, go have fun. Yay! You going to keep sweating this out?
There we go.
Did you place grab?
Did you have that? Did you have field trip?
Yes.
No, I
Oh, look how cute she's
I
dressed.
thought I would have cried.
Yay! You get out of your silly bed.
Yes.
You can take her hat if you'd like it, Danny. I know, we're going for a walk.
Nice.
Hey, Haley.
Oh my god. To go for a little field trip.
Oh.
She's just loving it.
I'm getting your butt more than I'm getting her.
We're not putting that on.
It's going on YouTube. What are you talking
Busting
about?
out, never coming back.
All right.
Make a run for it.
Make a break for it. Quick. Run, quick. Walk the room.
Come on, Haley. Where are we going? Where are we going, baby girl? Uh-oh, she's got the lip.
Oh, she knows these doors.
I know. She's like, oh, I don't like that sound. You can move her hat if you want. Hey, Haley.
Okay, which way?
Yeah, we'll go the longer way.
It's pretty quiet out here today.
She might want to move her hat so she can see.
Oh, that's you.
What's the score? Oh, wow. Cool, thank you.
It's okay.
Cards and, cards and, oh, I totally forgot.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, good girl. Hey, you gotta stay awake and look at the sights, honey.
What's there? So what's this? What's going on with this?
Yeah. Hey, what's this thing? I'm gonna bust free. I'm gonna figure out this little lock mechanism.
You hang on to that. Oh, she's gonna lose it.
That's okay. She's doing fine without it.
Me on YouTube.
Yep. I didn't get your rear. I got Danny's though. I've only got
Probably littler than
got your
mine.
shoes. Okay, maybe she does want it.
Yeah.
It's okay. Got it back for you.
Yum, 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 yum. We're going to the cafeteria. Can place an order?
Something besides it, you know?
She's going to go to sleep.
I know.
What the heck?
It's sitting her. Yeah.
Oh, is that?
Really? Him and her still together. Oh, the boy comes up and he goes, "It's done together." And these babies stare at me. Were they separated, like successfully?
Got to figure out a way to keep that binky in there, huh? I get it. I know. She's like,
Must not sleep.
well, when your Aunt Kim was little, Grandma used to have to put her
She
in the.
just woke up from when you put her to sleep.
I know.
Right when we figured.
We figured that was probably going to happen. Oh, hey, Haley, Haley. Want to get a picture? Huh? We'll get a picture when we get inside. Aunt
Oh,
Kim.
now she's okay.
Yeah, because the door's opened.
So I know this.
I don't want to be back here. I don't want to be back here. What am I doing? She's like, why am I back here?
Wait, the front door's that way. What's wrong with you people? Did you not stop and talk for directions?
Oh, you want to wipe her mouth. Take her a little. Isn't there a little towel right down there? Yeah. That's right. Use the nice clean hat.
I don't think she wanted it on her face. That's okay. And I think that's propping up the oxygen. I think it's propping up the oxygen.
I think we're good. That was a good first outing. Hey, we took a walk.
I know! How cool is that?
She tried to make a break. She was trying to undo the seatbelt. Yay! Bedtime.
It was great. She fell asleep. There you go.